both A/B testing and multivariate testing happens after the release of your design. You perform these tests on a running application. Your app or your site needs to be on the web server. You could use Google or you could use Adobe or other such product to hook up in your web server and set up your A/B test. The first time setup needs some work. If I can talk about some nitty-gritties of it. So a test engine would give you a piece of code that a developer has to put on the app pages. And therefore, the app pages keep tracks of what's happening with that page. Now this data is then submitted back to the web server, and this gives you a log which is then published in those engines. So both A/B test and multivariate test are somewhat similar. Now the A/B test talks about two designs which are absolutely different. So there's a design A and a design B, and both of these designs are on the server. Now this tool is sending design A to a bunch of users and design B to other bunch of users, and then this tool is figuring out which design is winning basis your conversion criteria. So if the conversion is number of downloads versus the conversion is number of purchases, well, basis design A and design B, where the conversions are more. After once this test has run for a certain number of times, this tool will then give you a winner. Multivariate test happens on a same design. Now, for a same design, you may have bunch of components on the same page. You could have multiple options for those components. You publish those multiple options in 3, 4 or 5 variations, jumble them up, and then this tool will then figure out which of these jumbled design is winning. This tool usually follows stats. So it will automatically figure out how many number of results it needs to validate before it announces a winner. Amazon, Facebook, they use A/B testing a lot. You may have noticed that there are a bunch of features which are available for your friend on Facebook which are not quite same for you. On the background, an A/B test is going on.